What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next episode of Wiley Boys. We are currently at the
Lavon Dam.
yeah,
A lot of people know about this place. It's been open all season. It's been a great year this year, guys.
The only problem is you can't park, so you gotta find this place to park
and then walk.
Yeah, make a little hike, and you get here. So
the walking isn't too bad when the fish are as stacked as it is here, guys. So
hopefully show you guys a couple different ways how to catch fish on Lavon Dam. That's the main thing today.
yeah, these fish are on fire. You should be able to do almost anything and everything. Throw anything at them, they should be hitting.
As long as you're at the right depth of water, I think the fish are gonna hit regardless. They're running through here crazy. It's end of season technically, but
with this water open and it flowing, fish are not gonna stop pushing up in here. So this place right here, guys, should be stacked for another month or so because the lake levels are still pretty high. They're still going to be releasing for a couple more weeks.
And we just keep getting more and more rain.
How could you not want to come out here when you know there's big fish, sandy stack, and all kinds of stuff, guys?
Easy fishing. It's concrete, not sliding on.
It's also fun fishing. We got our surf rods out here today. We're going to try and catch a quick sand bass limit for you guys. So
make sure you like the video, subscribe. On the road to 2K subscribers. Hopefully when we reach 2K, we'll do a giveaway for you guys. That's what we're planning on. So yeah, stay tuned.
Yep, subscribe if you're not and you like the content, guys. See you guys out there.
Yep.
The setup I'm using today, I'm using a little bucktail, about a 6-foot leader. About a 6-foot leader into a 2-ounce bobber, barrel swivel with the class, both leader lines tied onto the top knot. It's a very good surf rod technique, guys. Catch these stripers, hybrids, sand bass, any type of striped fish. This setup right here kills these fish. Board, guys. Number one, guys, I'm on my favorite baits right here, the bucktail. Nice, good 13, 14 inch male white bass, Lavon Dam, guys. It's back to back, guys. Two in a row in the bucktail. Another 13, 14 inch solid white bass, guys.
Are you ready?
Don't get left in the dust. Number 3, guys.
Right there. Hey, leave that. Work that.
I don't know what. I didn't even see. To be honest with you, I thought my bobber was over there.
No, yeah, you're right. You're fucking close, man. Up close.
I couldn't even see my stuff, man. First fish on, guys, for the day. It took me a little bit. I broke an eye on my brand new pole. Andrew's been killing it out here. That guy wanted that. Look at his mouth. That nice little bucktail. Boy, ingested that thing. Yo, shout out to Philly who made these hand-tied jigs, man. These things work. Local artists making hand-tied jigs. Nice little sand bass for the day, guys, at Lavon Dam.
Another keeper for the day, guys. Throw them on the stringer. We're gonna be eating some of these guys later. Another keeper, guys. This fish is so warm. Fish are on fire right now, guys.
Number 2 today, guys.
Magnum, Sandy, guys. Magnum. That is a 15, 16 inch sandbass all day. It's a tank. Looks like a big old fat female. It's crazy because we're at the late end of April right now, guys. It's crazy this fish still full of eggs.
Come on, Andrew. Get
Fish on. These fish are just absolutely eating today, guys.
I don't know who's who, bro.
I don't know who's who.
They fucking poppers everywhere. I'm about to throw a double rig on this shit and see what happens. Just get smacked.
Oh my god.
Motherfucker better not do that shit again, huh, Kaleb?
Back to back out here, reeling fast, guys.
Did it again?
It works. It works. I don't know how to tell you, but it works. I don't even know what number I'm at. I'm just catching fish left and right. It's crazy out here, guys. Fish over here, fish over here, fish everywhere, cuz.
All I'm doing, guys, is casting out to the middle of that slack water, just bouncing this bobber, non-stop reeling, bouncing, bouncing, bouncing. Number 9, guys. Racking them up quick today. All these fish are warm and active.
Three in a row. Pretty much every cast right now, guys. This white bass are on fire. This is probably my biggest one of the day. That's 3 fish and 6 bullets, guys. Fish on. Getting way out there. Double up.
Double up.
Double up, mate. Oh yeah, fish on the bobby. Yeah. Hey,
Little stringer setup right here, guys. Got this tied off to this bar. We got like a little 9-foot stringer right here. And we got this little clasp. Take this stringer off, pull it up, put the fish on, put it back down, clasp back on. Nice long 25-foot yellow stringer. Fish are thriving down there. They can swim around, do whatever. Those fish are not gonna die. Another keeper, guys. We're on the board, slaying sandies out here. Sandies are on fire. Just choking that buck. Little buck, Lavon Dam. Beautiful shot.
yeah, dude, I was literally reeling like this the other day, and they were smashing it. It was crazy.
months ago. Now come out and just see them like splashing.
See, look, he hit that.
I caught that one really fast.
Magnum sandies today, guys. A lot of males, females, still acing these fish. Hey, Rip.
I just think it's funny because when I first got here, bro, my eye was broken. I threw off two bobbers and 2 bucktails. I'm down to my last bucktail. And
You're on your last bucktail?
my last all white, yeah. Casting and jigging and casting and jigging. Casting and jigging and casting and jigging. Fish on.
Number one.
There's already 39 fish on the street.
Loving this bucktail. It's perfect fishing up here, man. You don't lose roosters. Fish are just here.
They're chasing right now. They're chasing. Where you tied your foot?
They are chasing. They're all eating right now, boys.
Right here.
It's like back to back right now, guys. They're chasing the fish. You just gotta reel as fast as you can. A half a second stop, and they're smashing it. It's just too easy today. It's a fatty. Look how fat this guy is.
Dude, look at this bucktail, it's gone.
Swallowed
The
it.
whole thing.
Swallowed the bucktail, another double up, so easy. Missed it. Got his ass. A little double up, double. Hell yeah, cuz.
Hit him with a little fish stink, bro.
We got the boy Trev out here catching a triple lemon out with us today.
Contributing.
Contributing. And I think that's gonna be it, guys. These fish are just eating today. You know what's going on?
You'd act like it's prime time sandy season right now. Feels like we just got our first rain. They just started pushing up creek. My arm is so tired. A nice wet bass.
Literally, guys, just reeling in as fast as possible. Reeling in as fast as possible, giving it a quick pause, and they're just smashing it. Like they're just chasing my lure, this bucktail. I don't even have to jig it or nothing. Found them all kinds of ways today. Yeah, we're catching fish out here, boys and gals. Easy enough. Triple limit, under 2 hours.
Probably about an hour and a half out here today. We wore them out. It's very quickly, a quick limit. Throwing bucktails, literally they're on fire. You just reel in, half a second pause, and they just smash it. You can see all the bucktails like that far from the water. You'll just see them come up.
You can see
and
the sandies just chasing your bucktail.
It's exciting.
It's like
to see.
striper fishing out here for sandies.
Yeah,
it's pretty dope. Hopefully you guys enjoy the experience.
It was the easiest limit I've caught. I thought the last limit we caught was easy, but this is easily. We already got probably 60 fish on the stringer.
Yeah.
So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe.
What time is it? Let's show them what time it is, guys.
We've only been out here like an
So
hour.
it's 8:33. 8:33. We definitely have over 50 fish on the stringer. So there's 4 of us out here, and we're just fishing for fun. But
Yeah,
been a-
shout out to everybody who came out here.
hopefully we see you guys around. You guys stick around,
Like,
like, subscribe, do whatever you haven't done already.
you know, this will probably be one of the last videos of sandbass season.
Season is coming to an end, guys.
So enjoy it while it lasts. Get out there and go catch some fish. I'm out. Adios.